Hi everybody and welcome to October 5th. Oops, sorry about that. October 5th. For today, ladies and gentlemen, our daily agenda has changed slightly, but I've expanded it to a week-long view so you guys can always see what we will be doing in class. For today, this week is college week, chicos. So we'll be cracking into some fun college stuff this week. We will be getting into some of our new habits that you guys have been getting into slowly. So let's talk about today, October 5th, right here. For today, your do now is going to be your grade check. I'll go over that in a moment. And then we did a college intro PowerPoint, and then I had you guys do a brief college reflection. And then your homework is to prepare for binder check, which is going to be tomorrow, Wednesday, October 6th class. I know this is Tuesday. That's my bad. I meant to say Wednesday. Okay, for do now, that's going to be our grade check. That's this form in Google Classroom. You are going to be completing it every week. We're starting with 10-5. It will be due in class October 19th. And let's go over it just a bit. I think I have a video up. I might not, but let me check if I do. Oops, it's not binder check. It's this one. So it's going to be right here under grade checks. I made a whole video for it so that you guys understand how to do it. So if you're confused, watch the video. But you guys are just going to go through each one of these and list what your grades are on Aries in each of these classes. And you're going to write down comments. And then you are going to reflect on your past couple weeks here. Okay? So that is what we will be doing for our do now today. Then we went ahead and got into a little bit of a college intro and PowerPoint. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit more about the college process. And since I just graduated from college, I talked to you guys about my pathway. And then we talked a little bit more about colleges in general in class. So my pathway, you guys know I went to Cal State Fullerton. I graduated in 2020. Cal State Fullerton was known for its teaching programs, its proximity to Orange County, and its accessibility to Latinx populations. This is a map of the campus. Classes, these are some of the classes taken or that I took. I took Children's Literature and Theater, Latino American Immigration, University 101, French 101, Young Adult Literature, Religion and Witchcraft Studies. I got to take classes, ladies and gentlemen, that might not have been possible to me before. These are classes that are open-ended and are genuinely topics that I enjoy learning about. I talked a little bit about financial aid, how much it was per semester compared to over 4 years, some of the scholarships, over 4 years, what that looked like for me, what some of those deciding factors are, the proximity, the tuition, the education. And then we did a little bit of this or that activity, which was our kind of college reflection. I had you guys travel to all 4 corners and reflect about why you wanted to be in these corners, and they were centered around college, especially towards the end, because I wanted you guys to reflect on where you stand when it comes to college. So we did, for example, this or that. Our first one was pizza is the best food in the world. And then we did, I enjoy learning. Do you enjoy it? Do you want to go to college? And I had you guys do those 4 corners, and we started talking about, are you hardworking? Will it be an enjoyable experience for you? Do you know what college you want to go into? So that kind of wrapped up our day. We're doing a college reflection later on in the week, but that wraps up our Tuesday. Okay, we'll get into Wednesday and Friday in just a moment, or in our next videos. But as always, y'all, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school, and I'll be right here for you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.